My name is Keshwani. It's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn algebra. Today is our lesson number 130. Day number 130. We are in the process of solving. Word problem. We began that process on day number 101. Today is our 30th day of solving word problems. Here's the problem for today. How far can I walk in H hours if I walk at the rate of R kilometer per hour? That's all. That's the question. My speed when I am walking is, I can walk R kilometers. R is some value. We do not know what it is, obviously. Otherwise it would be an arithmetic question. If I knew the value of the R and the H, it would be an arithmetic question. So I walk at some speed R kilometers per hour. I'm not telling you what the R is. The question is, how long will it take me if or rather, how much will I cover, how much distance would I cover if I were to walk for H hours? Again, H has some value which we do not know. So here we go. Here is the solution. We know that in 1 hour, I can walk R kilometers. That's given to us right here, R kilometers, at the rate of R kilometers per hour. We know that. That implies that in 2 hours I should be able to walk, twice the amount. In 5 hours, I should be able to walk 5 times the amount. Of course, here we are assuming that the speed is constant. You understand? This is not real world. I'm not going to slow down. It's always R kilometers per hour. Similarly, in 10 hours, I should be able to walk 10 times the amount of distance. If I walk R kilometers in 1 hour, in 10 hours I should be able to walk 10 times the distance. Therefore, using the same logic, applying the same logic, in H hours, I should be able to walk H times R kilometers. There we go. That's our answer. H times R. Which of course makes perfect sense if we stop and think about it. Let's plug in some value and you'll see. For example, if we were told how far can I walk in 3 hours at the rate of 4 kilometers per hour, if we were to plug in 3 for H, if we were to plug in, these are the numbers that we're plugging in. Where are these 3 and 4 coming from? But they're falling from the sky. We just made them up. You can make up anything you want. If I were to walk 3 hours at the rate of 4 kilometers per hour, how much distance would I cover? How far would I walk? Well, 3 hours at 4 kilometers per hour, I should be able to go 12 kilometers. Where does 12 come from? 3 times 4. There you go, 3 times 4. The number of hours, which is 3, times my rate, which is 4. I should be able to walk 12 kilometers. Let's plug in one more time. This time with the blue color so you can tell the difference. If I were to walk, let's say if I told you that I walked for 5 hours at the rate of 7 kilometers per hour. Well, if I'm walking 7 kilometers in 1 hour, in 5 hours I should be able to walk 5 times the amount. 7 times 5. There you go. For 5 hours, H is 5 now, so 5 hours at the rate of 7 kilometers per hour, I should be able to walk 35 kilometers. That's the right answer. H times R is the right answer. That's how much I will walk in H hours if I were to walk at a constant speed of R kilometers per hour. Right? That's all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow on day number 131. Right? Bye now.